Since I have.
Okay, let me connect with my phone as well.
Okay, okay. No.
Otherwise it will not work. Hello, Chiran.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear
Why your voice is so low?
you.
Listen.
Mine is normal only, sir. Mine signal strength is 100.
Sorry?
Very good, actually. My signal strength is very good, actually. Mine is a high-end broadband connection. I'm not sure. You can check connection from your end.
No, I also use 100 Mbps broadband connection only. No,
Okay.
not connection. Voice.
Uh-huh.
My voice is low. Let me rejoin, huh?
Okay, okay.
Please speak again.
Yeah, see, I think few
Hello?
minutes back, Manish was also joined. He was able to hear me.
Hello? Chiran?
Yeah, I'm able
Could
to
you
hear you.
speak? Okay. Okay, leave it. Whatever be it, let it be. As long as you are being able to hear me out, that's okay. I'm trying to get some project here, but unfortunately, now
Yeah,
they want me to they directly ask for PF deduction. So if PF deduction, then cannot work on multiple projects.
correct.
Okay, so what I was trying to say, if you
Mhm.
have to practice, okay, let me complete those steps first.
Okay.
So you need to go to this consolidation monitor, okay?
Uh-huh.
Then we have completed so far till here. Calculate group shares, okay? Enter
Group
group
shares,
shares.
we haven't put the percentage, right? If you can
No,
start.
no, we don't. This is calculation. We don't
Uh-huh.
need to put here anything.
But see, what we have to do here?
No, no. I'll tell you the next step that will
Uh-huh.
give you more better perspective.
Okay.
Okay. This is calculation. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Enter group share. If I just go to this step, here what we do, we have 10 entities here. If you look at the group, so how many entities are there except the main entity? 9 entities we have. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So for every entity, what is my percentage? 72%. How we have calculated this?
Multiplying.
Let me open another sheet. Okay. Then it will give you the better perspective. Summary, I think I have kept in summary. Okay. So we have discussed last day, right?
Yeah, correct, correct.
CFR01 72. C underscore is 01 76.5.
So that is
C
a
underscore.
example 72. We got 80 into 90, right? That is 72.
Right, right, right. Uh. So this is what we have to enter here. Okay.
Okay.
So what we do here, we select the item, FS item. This will be always one. This will be always this one. Okay. Group shares. Okay. Then consolidation unit. So C underscore, suppose A01. So what is my percentage? So here we have to enter in quantity, not here in amount. Okay.
Okay.
So quantity, it will, we have to mention here A01 35. Okay.
Okay.
So like that. So
So
I have already, I already entered last run in the last run. So
okay.
we should not enter again. Okay.
But it is
So
showing
like,
PRC, right? Percentage only it is showing, right? PRC, what is it? Next to 35. Next to 35, what you have written, that PRC something it is, right?
yeah, no. So just ignore this. This is not relevant. Okay. Partner unit is not relevant.
No, no, not
Okay.
partner unit. PRC means
Hmm.
what is it?
Where is PRC?
Next to 35, what you have written in 35, right? Yeah,
This is unit.
unit.
Okay.
PRC means
Yeah.
percentage only, right?
Percentage.
Okay.
PRC. Quantity. Other data is not relevant. Okay. This considers like 35% we have total share in A01. This is consolidation unit. Group share percentage. So 35. Okay.
Okay.
This is what
Okay.
we generally mention. Okay.
Okay.
So like that, it will automatically show because we have created 10 units, right? So it will show all the 10 units.
Okay. We have to put the percentage, right, for all the 10 units.
For all the 9 units. One
Oh,
will
sorry.
be the
Yeah, holding company. That is
holding
nine.
company. So you can put
Yeah.
like 100. You can put like 100. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so like that, this is where we have to maintain it. I'll just discard this step, discard, and we will just move to the next step. Investment equity eliminations, if there is any, it will eliminate. Otherwise, we can just execute the complete run and we can move further. So this will get captured in your task log. There will not be any eliminations in my understanding because we don't have anything for eliminating this one. So what I was trying to explain you, if you have to understand any concept, okay, go down, equity and investment. Okay, there are equity and investment eliminations. So you will have to better, go to this line item wise investment eliminations 821051. So let us take this example for US 01, US 02. Okay. So what are the entries we do have? Return earning accounts. Okay. Eliminations of investment, issued capital. So for example, we have this 311 issued capital. So this is my trigger.
Mhm.
If I go to this my data file, master data group share, data file. And issued share capital. Data collection. This is my non-COI will be calculated in this one. So COI like you have, total value 1 lakh of US02. 80,000 is the owned by US01. So 20,000 will be the COI. Okay.
Mhm.
Understand now? This will be calculated automatically.
So 80,000
Hello?
is owned by group, right?
This is the total
Hello?
value
Uh-huh.
US02.
Uh-huh.
80% owned by US01.
Okay.
So
Then
20% will be the NCI.
NCI. Okay. Got it.
So this is your NCI will get reflected here. 1 second, huh?
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm there.
So, best way to, learn this eliminations 30 is CUI CAP.
Sorry,
This is the,
issued
no,
capital.
elimination will happen based on this CUI CAP. So if you check in the selection, this must have been assigned. Okay.
Which
And
one has to be assigned?
this eliminations needs to be maintained in the selection now. See,
Oh, okay.
again, so what happens now, Kiran, like once you look at the data, okay,
Okay.
so then it gives you the better picture, ki, okay, how the data is getting eliminated, how the calculation is happening. So looking is at the data is the best way. Okay, you
Okay.
parallelly open,
See,
different. Mhm.
uh, can you just go back?
Hmm.
This is task log, right? Okay. Okay. So the
Hmm.
Excel sheet, what you were showing, this is a that one is a downloaded format of this task log only, right?
This is what we have uploaded
Oh,
for
uploaded. Okay.
master data. This is master data. Okay, first item is your master data. So
Okay.
based on master data, every calculation is performed based on this master data only.
Okay. Okay.
Then there is a load data.
Transaction
Okay,
data.
yeah, file. So this is, I think, my upload file.
Upload file is
This is
transaction data, right?
yeah, transaction data. So if I just, filter based on US 02, my financial item 312000. This is the value. Okay.
Okay.
299376. 299, right? Share
Yeah.
premium. Issued capital is this one. I think I have taken the wrong example. This is getting eliminated. Two zero two nine eight. 20298.
That is issued capital is getting eliminated, right?
Yeah, correct. These are all other, calculations
And even
which you will
share
have.
premium also we need to eliminate, right?
This would have been getting eliminated somewhere. We'll have to see, like, yeah, here this value 2998. This is also getting, eliminated. This equal to this. Debit and credit net becomes 0, right?
Yeah, because the share premium amount will get transferred to retained earnings only. So they are canceling, they are reversing it in retained earnings.
This is here, it is getting transferred. So if I look at the target, so target where we can see in my FS item. 312 share premium. Target is, where is target?
What are the
Maybe
different types of target you are showing, right? In headers, if you see, there are different types of target. What does that mean?
let me first open this particular uh, elimination selection. Okay, in CUI CAP. Define, select. So this selection must be assigned somewhere in CUI SGUI. I think maybe in this one. No, not here. I mean, we'll have to check for the selection. Not sure. Not maybe this one. Yeah, here we can see. So
What is it?
902 sub-item category 902 999.
Sub-item.
Then we will have to go back to the configuration. What method is getting called? Okay, so that depends on task. What task we are running. So task is 2100. Okay.
Okay.
So 2100, we will go and check the 2100, the reclassification. The reclassification task 2100 assigned methods to S2100. Then you need to go back to this S2100 methods. S2100, this one, in front of this one, rules. So these are your selection criteria. So one will be this selection criteria, whatever we have seen in the selection. This is your selection criteria. And SCOICAP, COICAP, capital, maybe this one. Okay, this is your target, and this is your attributes, NCI target. So means where it will get hit. Eliminations will be made into that particular offset account.
Okay.
Okay. Role and selection is quite similar, kind of similar parameter, which all are applicable for cash flow reports. So which we'll be discussing subsequent session.
So
We'll take
what is the difference between offsetting target, planning target, and
that is for planning. Target is for planning. Okay.
okay, offsetting target? What is
Offsetting target when let me check the data. Offsetting means always offset. Offset where are we going to offset this particular line item when we are doing the eliminations, right? So we need to offset some. Eliminations target. Suppose we are doing some reclassification. Means currently this is appearing in your operating expense, some supplies expense, and you wanted to reclassify at operating expense. So then you can mention here offsetting. One could be your eliminations, okay, and other could be possibility that you are trying to offset that value, okay. Means
offset means
it
reversing?
not reversal exactly. In actual transaction, this is booked as a kind of uh, kind of one kind of expense, but that you consider as a operating expense. So
Oh, okay,
then
okay.
put that value there.
That will come
Right.
as a reclassifying, right?
That is also a kind of reclassification.
Okay.
Generally, like all my eliminations is reclassification, but in any such scenario also you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how this works. Okay. So once you would be, mm, looking at the data, comparing the data, then you would be able to understand more.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Means you need to do the little bit of,
See, I don't
deep.
have data. What I can relook all these videos once again and try to understand. But currently,
No
doing
worry.
with the
Don't
data, that
worry.
will be
Don't worry. I'll be, taking one example.
okay.
We will take more 4 or 5 classes so that I can explain you in the much better way. I'll just consider one example and explain in every session one cases. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
don't worry about that. But yeah,
So,
you keep watching the videos so
okay.
that whatever we have discussed, you are able to retain those in
Knowledge.
your mind. Okay?
And also, next, what we are going to do in next class?
Next class we'll be picking up one. The complete consolidation we have completed. Okay, then we will be doing the manual elimination, so this is not applicable. Total divestiture, if any divestiture is there, so we can update run, we can execute this step, but this is not actually
But
required.
how you are going to set it up, divestiture?
Yeah, that I will explain. That also I will
Okay.
explain.
Okay. Divestiture and also substitute one, right? Like one entity has to be reported in different business segments.
Right, right. That also I'll explain.
Okay.
Consolidated data validation. So this I will be just running this. So then after whatever report I am able to see, because we have completed these steps earlier, that's why we are able to view the consolidated reports. Okay, this group report, right? So
Uh-huh.
this we are able to view because we already have. So failed. Failed means remember, like we got some asset and liability; those were not matching. So same. No, I think
Okay.
depreciation one was not matching, right?
Correct. Correct.
So cleaning account, this. So if data is not correct, you can get those kind of errors. Okay.
So there are two type of validation, right? If you go to the uh, data monitor, if you go to the data monitor, not a
Hmm.
consolidation monitor,
Hmm.
there is data.
One is your data fetched from SEDOCA. Okay.
Okay.
This is
This is a reporting
hmm,
what is it? Can you expand that one? The third one that is pulling the data from AC Docker, right? Third one.
yes,
Next one is data collection from the different non-integrated entities. Next,
non-integrated.
the
This
next one is reporting data. Means
data.
once we load both the things from integrated entity, non-integrated entity, just we are checking how the number looks, right?
Yes, means we have some set of rules, so it must reconcile. So
Yeah.
suppose
Yeah.
some data is not getting fetched from there, then it will not be reconciled. It will fail some validation,
That
standard value.
asset is equal to liabilities plus equity. That one, right? It will
That's,
happen here.
that's the one kind of validation. So
Uh,
you can have your own validation also, but
uh,
generally you have to use the standard validation. So
okay.
once you will get some error, you will get to know, okay, okay, these basic rules are not matching.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And next one is we didn't check. It is not applicable for non-integrated entity. What is that actually? Line item validation.
Yeah, line item is item data wise validation if any error in the particular line item. So that is also not applicable. This is also related to this one.
Yeah.
Then calculate net income. This will be calculated automatically, like
Yeah. The
written
net
transfer.
income. Okay. It should get transferred to the retained earnings, right? And your
Yeah.
retained
So
earnings
the
should.
if you are running it mm, like monthly, you can calculate the get the net income monthly basis also. You can
Oh,
get the reported data validation. So once you have all the data, you can this data you would be able to validate. Then manual, if you have to make any manual postings, you can do that also
we have not done
at the
this.
group level.
Uh, Next
Okay.
is currency
Currency trans
translation. What is this preparation consolidation group change? That is percentage, right? Change in
yeah,
the
some
group share.
in the hierarchy level, if you are making some changes, so that you can perform here. So this
That
is
is
also not applicable.
usually top level journal entries, right? Preparing group level adjustments.
Right,
This is
right, right.
consolidated postings.
Then standard data validation. So after currency translation, it will also validate the data.
Okay. Next, in if you go to that consolidation monitor, all different kind of intercompany elimination. One is intercompany elimination sales, intercompany elimination profit, inventory profit, other incomes, dividend elimination, balance sheet elimination, manual elimination, preparation of consolidation, group.
Yeah, group arithmetic steps, preparation of consolidation group, calculate group shares percentage, intergroup share. So this is if you are manually entering something, then this and this step is manual. These three
Okay.
steps.
No, no. What
This
what is the difference between enter group shares and calculate group shares? Main difference.
preparation group consolidation. So let me just execute this step. So there is any change in hierarchy, the preparation
Uh-huh.
of consider groups here, task adjust financial data to ensure that group financial statement contains only data that arose during the time period in which the consideration unit is part of the group. Okay. If
Okay.
not part of the group, then
Uh-huh.
suppose you have made some changes like that become inactive or something sort of. You
No,
have
maybe
this,
example like if we have purchased a new entity in the
then it,
middle of the year.
yes, yes, then it will come the preparation.
Yeah.
So these two steps
Prepare-
is like automatically, triggered based on the data. Okay, based on your nature of transactions added or something. Okay.
And when we use manual eliminations for any scenarios, manual elimination.
Manual eliminations. Let me get some, example. Right now, I don't have in my mind. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So manual is not basically too much logical because it happens. Mostly, it will be taken care by the automatic
So
elimination.
why there are two
Okay.
manual elimination? Can you just expand what is the difference? I just want to read that one. Expand. One is
Where is
PL20 and
two? Not
yeah,
only
see
one.
in the 2000 task ID hierarchy 2050 is also manual elimination PL20 and here is also
Hmm.
2050 is manual elimination PL30. Posting level 20 and posting level 30, right?
One would be at once again 2050. Let me check. I'll check these two methods. Okay.
Okay.
Two task 2050. That basically at entity level, and that is at the group level.
Group level. Okay.
Yeah.
Total divestiture. Just I want to know only the examples for preparation of consolidation group change. Calculate
Yes,
group
yes.
sheets.
Yeah, yeah. That I will let me try to prepare some data. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Even
Uh-huh.
if it will take some time, I'll just try to do that so
And
that
the
you.
last one, consolidated data validation. What kind of formulas it will use for consolidated data validation?
I'll be just consolidated data. I'll be checking this consolidated data validations. So again, the whole consolidated data is now raised. Now it will validate again.
No, means on how it will validate anything we have to configure any formulas here.
Suppose no validation is as usual. Whatever validations, managed data validations is standard reported data. So these are my validations. So here you would see like this is your validation failed gross value. So this will again fail at the consolidated level if you have not fixed at the uh, individual level.
Uh-huh.
In the data monitor, if you have not addressed it, it will
Uh-huh.
be get validated at this level as well.
Okay. Okay.
So you can see like this validation. So we need to
And how do you fix this tolerance level and all? That is also I wanted to know.
okay, fine. I'll
Yeah,
just
this rule,
so
this main rule, how we can add manually, that is one of the things which I wanted to know. Define new validation rules, we can only create, right?
we can define our own rules as well.
Yeah, if you
So it
can
is
show me couple
think
of them, how
it,
to add.
adding these two should become zero. This is the
Uh-huh.
validation.
Uh-huh. What are those two? Account or FS item?
This is depreciation and accumulated depreciation, I guess. Manual gross value and depreciation.
Uh-huh.
And check. Mhm. 161,500. 61,500. Machinery. Okay. Machinery means acquisition value here. We are capturing the net acquisition value. So net acquisition should not be depreciation should not be more than this value,
Gross
right?
value, net depreciation value.
Depreciation value. So this is your gross value,
Wow.
and this is your depreciation value. So this should be zero always. This is what it is
Okay.
trying to.
Okay.
So always when you are preparing the data manually, you will have such issues. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm dropping for let's say I'm just ending the session for today. We'll be also deep dive into further concepts. Small topics we'll be taking up and we'll be covering in the sessions. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
maybe next class if you can show me to add how the new kind of validation rules, that will be helpful for me. Like
I'll try
example, yeah.
to. I'll try to creation of rule is not a big deal, but again you will have to change the like new validation. You can create your validations. Okay, constellation. Okay, so new validations, task,
So
all those.
all these new validations will be looped into data monitor or consolidation monitor.
No, no. We need to assign to our consolidation monitor.
Okay, but we can assign this validation to data monitor as well, right? Few of the rules.
Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no.
How?
I'm saying consolidation group level. We assign to my consolidation group. These are the only rules which is assigned to my consolidation group.
Yeah, correct. These rules are assigned to consolidation group, but these rules will come in data monitor or consolidation monitor.
Both level we are doing the
So
uh,
how to assign these validation rules to consolidation monitor and data monitor?
yeah, that is actually linked to your task. Task is linked to method and method further is linked to your valid. I'll show up that also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice
Bye. Thank
weekend.
you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye.